Good afternoon once again, everyone. We're here to mark an exciting milestone with the motorcycle financing partnership launch of Case Vigo and Home Credit Philippines. And thank you for making your time to be with us. While we get ready to continue with the program, please feel free to find a spot that you may be comfortable with. I think this room sits 119 people and we are 120. So may isa nakatayo. So mag-join na lang yung isa iba dun sa And again, to our VIPs this afternoon, thank you very much. The President of Case Vigo, Ma'am Grace Balingit, magandang hapon po. Thank you very much po. Ang gaan-gaan po na pakiramdam po sa inyo, ma'am. So, may kwento po ako sa mamaya, may kwento po ako. And of course, VP for Operations, Mr. Sonny Timbas. Saan po kayo, sir? Ay, sir! Ba't po nandiyan kayo? Ayan, so thank you very much, sir. AVP Marketing, Ms. Phoebe Bernardo. Hi, ma'am. Ganda na smile niyo, ma'am. Kumusta po kayo, ma'am? From Home Credit Philippines, the Chief Sales Officer, Sir Puneet Solija. I hope I'm saying it right, sir. Oh, yes, na, aprobado. And Chief Marketing Officer, Ma'am Sheila Paul. Ayun. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for making this event happen. Ladies and gentlemen, and to all our guests and valued partners once again, good afternoon to all of you. I'm Papa Jackson from Energy FM. This event marks the official launch of the partnership between Case Vigo and Home Credit Philippines that will bring quality, feature-packed motorcycle from the top motorcycle brands in the Philippines paired with fast and easy installment deals from Home Credit, only here, of course, at Case Vigo Cubao, and also available in almost 180 Case Vigo stores in Metro Manila and, of course, all over Luzon. So, dami pala, no? 180. And today's partnership launch aims to make motorcycle more accessible to Filipinos by allowing them to get their dream motorcycle with just one valid ID and as quick as 1 minute approval. One valid ID. Ay, nako. Alam mo, dami kong gustong hiramin sa baba. May ID po ako, 4. Totoo, passport dala ko rin po. Together with Case Vigo Home Credit and our partner motorcycle brands from Honda. Where are my friends from Honda? Hello po. From Kawasaki. My friends from Kawasaki. Hello po. From Kiko. Ayan, kayo po. From Suzuki. Hi, sir. And from Yamaha. Hello po sa inyo. Kayo po yung makakasabing pag-hiram demo unit. Aba, wala nagsalita, no? Thank you, ha? Hiram lang. Itong lang natin. Maraming po salamat. Thank you for opening these new possibilities para magkaroon po ang mga common Filipinos na kanilang dream motorcycle. And at the heart of today's event is a shared vision, making the dream of owning a motorcycle a reality for more Filipinos. And in pursuit of this goal, Home Credit has partnered with none other than Case Vigo, a trusted brand with the widest retail store network of motorcycles, three-wheelers, e-bikes, appliances, laptops, cell phones, ito yung kwento ko mamaya, and furniture nationwide with almost, excited po kayo malaman niya. Gusto yung kwento ko na? Hindi, meron ako, hindi nakakatawa po yung kwento nito. Oh. Almost 180 stores in Metro Manila and of course in Luzon. Ako, na-excited ako na pag umabot kayo sa Visayas, ako rin host nyo. No? Ano ba yan? Wala kayong mabayad na Meralco next month eh. It's my greatest pleasure and honor to introduce someone who has been instrumental in driving Case Vigo's mission of service excellence and customer satisfaction. Please join me in welcoming the Case Vigo's President, Ma'am Grace Balingit. Kapakalo mo namin ito, ma'am. Maraming salamat po ng hapon po.
Good afternoon. Happy afternoon, everyone.
Happy afternoon.
Salamat po. Pakitapik nga po yung katabi nyo. Happy afternoon. Medyo gutom na po siguro. Anyway, happy afternoon, everyone. And welcome to the launching of our partnership with Home Credit, and that is motorcycle financing. Thank you to everyone, to all the vloggers, to the influencers, media, motorcycle community, and our business partners, and all of you who are present here. Thank you for coming. And of course, thank you Home Credit for the partnership. For those who may not be familiar with Case Servico is a retail store with network across Luzon, offering motorcycle, tri-wheelers, e-bike, appliances, gadgets, furniture, and parts and service. We have been in the company, or we have been in the industry for 54 long years. We started as an institutional arm of Kawasaki way back 1971. Then eventually offered National Appliances. Those who know National Appliances, which is now the Panasonic. And in year 2000, we opened our doors to other brands and product lines. Thus, we are now offering multi-products and multi-brand. We have to be exact, we have 178 stores across Luzon. You can find us in as far as Apari in the north area, down to Irusin in Bicol. We also have an online store through our website, kservico.com.ph. All our stores have dedicated service center for motorcycle to provide the best after sales to all our customers. So you can be assured of after sales servicing for your motorcycle purchase from Case Servico. And we are very excited with this partnership. We have about 4 years partnership already with Home Credit for other product lines. Way back 2021, we have sealed our partnership with Home Credit, offering appliances, furniture, and gadget financing. And I must say, we have a successful partnership. Home Credit is our #1 financing partner. As with our tagline, Case Servico, kaibigan mo sa pag-asenso, we are very grateful to Home Credit for the trust in Case Servico in making financing more accessible to our customers. Truly, this partnership with Home Credit is a game changer for the Filipino community. Owning a motorcycle in just 1 minute with minimal requirements. O saan pa kayo sa Home Credit na talaga? This will definitely help our fellow Filipinos who want to own a motorcycle with affordable installment price in just 1 minute. We look forward to another successful partnership with Home Credit. Once again, welcome and thank you for coming.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Pag sinabi ko na kaibigan mo sa pag-asenso, sisigaw tayo ng Case Servico, okay? Kaibigan mo sa pag-asenso! Case Servico! Oo, di ba? Ang galing ng host niya, naisip niya gawin yun. Simple. Bonus! Charot lang, ma'am. Alright, so we are now settled, ma'am. Thank you very much po. And at this point, would like to recognize the driving force of the country's consumer finance industry since it opened its doors in the Philippines in 2013. Home Credit has become a household name for installment solutions and other consumer financing services. As Home Credit enters its 12th year in October 2025, the momentum continues to build with its 11th million and growing customer base. 11th million. Dami, eh? Home Credit Philippines remains steadfast in its commitment to every Filipino's financial ally. Hashtag para sa? Para sa? Live. Ano yun? Para sa akin? Today we are honored to have a representative from Home Credit with us. Please join me in welcoming the distinguished leader of Home Credit Philippines, the Chief Sales Officer, Mr. Bonit Sulicha. Palakpakan naman po natin, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Again, thank you so much for being here today and joining us for this event. And I'd like to also express my gratitude towards our wonderful partners, Case Servico, for allowing us to host this event here. I would like to really, if you look back in 2013, we started our operations in the Philippines with one vision. We wanted to really bridge the financial literacy or the financial inclusion gap that we believed existed in the Philippines. And I think over those last 11 to 12 years, we do believe we've revolutionized the way Filipinos are able to now very easily buy various things for their households, be it phones, various kind of gadgets, furniture, home appliances, and truly enhance their lives in a very, very easy way. With the same vision in mind, today we're very, very happy to announce a nationwide launch, for motorcycle financing with our partners, KServico, today. So really, now for our mutual customers across Luzon and NCR, there's no more need to wait for days or hours to really take your motorcycle home, because we're bringing our 1-minute approval guarantee over to motorcycle financing. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Yan, Pag sinabi kong para sa live, ano sabihin nyo? Home credit. Para sa live? Home credit. 1 minute lang approval. Dati di ba 3 days na may CI pa? Pinuntahan pa nila yung bahay namin, naliligo nanay ko, nakatapis lang lumabas. Misis, talaga bang anak mo to? Ngayon, 1 minute na lang, 1 ID, no? Ang galing naman. Thank you very much, sir. Today, we are honored as we have all of you, pero syempre, yung ating mga partner brands, we'd like to hear something from you as we celebrate this exciting partnership today. It's important to recognize the key players who have helped make this event possible. KServico has built strong relationships with some of the most respected brands in the motorcycle industry, which I belong to. I am a motorcycle rider. And this partnership continue to drive innovations and success. Maraming ka na po, ha? Ayan. We are honored to have our friend from Honda. For Honda to start off, let's hear for our industry's most trusted motorcycle brands known for innovation, reliability, and a strong commitment to Filipino riders. Please welcome the Department Manager, Sales of Honda Philippines, Mark Sorosa. Sir?
Hello. Una, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, sa ating media friends and vloggers that are invited here. So, good afternoon to everybody. And in behalf of Honda Philippines Incorporated, we are very grateful, of course, to KServico family headed by their president, Ms. Grace Balingit. Ma'am, thank you po. And to Home Credit, headed by their CSO, Mr. Punit Suneja. So thank you, sir, for inviting us here in this event. So kami po sa Honda, we are very excited because KServico, one of our strongest leaders nationwide, no? For everybody's appreciation, KServico posted tremendous growth for Honda last year. They opened several shops, and we are continuously collaborating with KServico and planning on how to further expand our partnership and to serve more customers here in Luzon. And now they're joining forces with Home Credit, not just the Philippines' biggest financing company, but on an international level, Home Credit is a very big financing institution. So kami po sa Honda, we are very excited because the 1-minute approval is a game-changing approach to financing in the motorcycle industry. So, isa lang ang tanong namin, ma'am, baka mamaya ubusin nyo na yung stock namin. So, can we supply if you do the 1-minute approval? So, that's our challenge. So, Ma'am Grace and her team might be asking more units from us. Not just from us, but also from the other suppliers as well. So, again, thank you very much, ma'am, sir, and hopefully, not hopefully, because I know that this will be very successful. So when the time comes, maybe you will have another celebration, celebrating the new milestones that you will set, and hopefully you will invite us again. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Mark Sorosa from Honda. Sana ubusin daw yung unit. That's a good problem, no? Magandang problema pag nangyari yan. And for Kawasaki, the brands that's long been synonymous with power, performance, and adventure on two wheels. Let's give it up for the Assistant Manager for Marketing of Kawasaki Philippines, Ms. Ella May Toricampo.
Sa So, good afternoon po. Again, starting off with how Honda started it, congratulations po to Key Cervico and Home Credit for this incredible partnership. So, of course, as everyone knows, Key Cervico has always been one of our dearest sister companies, and we're very excited po for you to be partnering with the country's leading consumer finance company. So, we anticipate nga din po na mas madami pang customers ang madadraw ng Key Cervico with this partnership. And we hope po na, oh tama, hindi siya we hope, we know na this is going to be one of the milestones na ma-represent during pag nagsa-suppliers meeting tayo, one of the factors kung bakit may jump in growth, not just for Kawasaki, but for all of the brands that Key Cervico is giving. So congratulations po.
And up next is a brand recognized for pushing boundaries in design and technology while keeping every ride practical and accessible. Let's welcome the General Manager of Sales and Marketing of Kimco Philippines, Mr. Tito Caduco. Sir?
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. And first of all, congratulations po kay Sir Pico and Home Credit. Maraming salamat for having us. No? Even though we are new in kay Sir Pico, I think we started again during the pandemic time. No? And actually kanina, I asked Sir Gerald, is the 1 minute true? Ayun tanong ko sa kanya. And he said, yes. Sabi ko lang, wow, amazing. Because 1 minute is really a game changer as Honda said. Nagpapasalamat kami at sinama kami ng kay Sir Pico ang credit to be included in this program. Kimco has a complete several lineup of scooters from 125cc up to 575cc that can cater for your own lifestyle. So, meron na kayong ibang options yung mga customers ninyo to meron silang pagpipilian na mag-cater sa kanilang lifestyles. Again, congratulations. Congratulations. Sorry. May serving ko. Thank you very much.
And joining us, as well as his brand that made its mark on the Philippines, Philippine roads with quality bikes made for every kind of rider. I-welcome po natin the Division Head for Sales and Marketing of Suzuki Philippines, Mr. Joey Salavaria. Mr. Joey.
Hello, pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. First of all, I would like to thank and congratulate Kay Cervico and Home Credit for the successful launching of this new financing partnership. Congratulations. And we're very honored and thankful as well, of course, for allowing us to be part of this momentous event. I'd just like to take this opportunity to inform everyone that Suzuki Philippines we are actually celebrating this year our 50th year in the motorcycle industry. At hindi po kami aabot ng ganitong katagal kung hindi po kami susuportahan ng Kay Cervico. Maraming salamat. And of course, I would like also to honor Home Credit for opening the doors for our motorcycle enthusiasts. Posible pala yung 1 minute. Ang galing. You will really open the doors for not just for Suzuki but for all the motorcycle brands na yung magkakaroon ng new ride and new possibilities. Ang galing ng proposition. So again, congratulations, more power to Kay Cervico and Home Credit. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, Sir Joey. And finally, representing a brand known for its passion for performance and innovation, let's give a warm round of applause for the regional manager for South Luzon of Yamaha Motor Philippines, Mr. Rexy Makatangay. Sir Rexy.
Okay, so for the last sure not the least, Brandy here. So, first of all, we'd like to congratulate Kaiser Vigo and Home Credit for having this event and for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us to have this kind of event. Unang-una is, just like Home Credit and Kaiser Vigo, we are basically trying our very best to meet the requirements of each individual, not just here in Luzon, but also in Visayas and Mindanao. So, kung ano po ang gusto nyo for our customers, we're really very welcome and happy to support you po with that. Because of your expansion nationwide, we are really also trying to do our very best po, not just for the customers, but also for the financing and dealership, para po we are as one with our target. Naniniwala po ako dito sa 1 minute. Kasi po, pagdating pa lang po namin, nakabili na po kayo ng NMAX. So, thank you for promoting Yamaha. This is our way of thanking you and appreciating na we Yamaha are together with you po, with your direction. Again, thank you very much po for having us here, and we are looking forward for more activities and launching like this. Again, thank you very much and congratulations.
Thank you very much, Sir Rexy. 1 minute! Yung cup noodles, 3 minutes eh. Matagal pa yung cup noodles, no? Totoo eh, 3 motor na pala na-aprobahan nun. Tama ba? If you put that into context, pag nagluto ako ng Migori, naka-4 na motor na pala ako, no? Galing. Palakpakan naman natin mga sarili hapon na to. Ladies and gentlemen, we stand in a pivotal moment in our event. The official signing ceremony that solidifies this momentous partnership between Kaiser Vigo and Home Credit. Please give us time to prepare the table up on stage. At tutulungan tayo ng ating mga ayan.